Mfethu, uSandile proudly owns a fleet of trucks. However, in these tough times, he's really struggling to maintain them and keep his business afloat. So he takes out an extra loan to continue paying for the services of his vehicles at the dealer from whom he purchased them. Hey, don't be like Sandile. It's not necessary to bankrupt yourself to keep your vehicles maintained. The right to repair guidelines apply to both private and commercial vehicles, electric, motorbikes, and agricultural vehicles too. So you can shop around for the best price services and parts, no matter what kind of vehicle you own. For more information on how to exercise your rights, visit www.righttorepair.org.za.